Today, we're going to talk about something kinda wild. The very people building our AI-powered future are working like they're in the 19th century. In this explainer, we're diving into the strange paradox of the new AI grind. We keep hearing this amazing promise, right? That AI is going to free us all up and give us more leisure time. But for the people actually on the ground building it, the reality is, well, it's a relentless, nonstop grind. So what's going on here? Let's get into it.
Okay, so let's head to the heart of it all, San Francisco. It's the epicenter of the AI revolution, and you can feel this buzz, this energy of creation. But if you look just under the surface, past all the hype, a new work culture is emerging. And honestly, it sounds absolutely exhausting.
Take someone like Sanju Lokukagich. He's a co-founder who moved right into the middle of the action. And for him, the whole idea of work-life balance isn't just a challenge, it's pretty much a fantasy. So what does this new grind actually look like day to day?
Well, for starters, you can just forget about the classic 9 to 5. In the world of AI startups, a 12-hour day is basically just the warm-up. That's where you start.
And weekends? Yeah, right. That's a luxury that most can't even dream of. We're talking about founders who've gone more than 6 months without a single day off. That's how all-consuming this race has become. It's a lifestyle they're actually calling grindcore, and it's pretty intense. You've got founders crammed into tiny apartments, coding from morning till night, literally sleeping in the office. The line between your home and your work, it's just completely gone.
So you have to ask, why would some of the brightest people in the world sign up for this? It turns out it's this powerful mix of incredible excitement and just crippling anxiety. It's a mad dash to the top, and everyone is terrified of being left behind. Remember the old days of big tech? You know, the on-site massages, the free gourmet food, the big focus on well-being? Well, that's a distant memory. Today, it's all about disruption and austerity. It's a really clear signal that the power is swung from the employees back to the employers. And here's a number that puts a chill in the air. 250,000. That's how many tech workers lost their jobs in 2023. That number casts a long shadow, fueling this feeling that your job could just vanish. Like software engineer Kyle Finken said, this is the question on everybody's mind. People are genuinely asking themselves, wait, are we literally coding ourselves out of a job? This anxiety is coming from everywhere. There's the fear of being outpaced by a competitor, the insane pressure to justify massive investments, and the surreal day-to-day reality of training the very AI that might just replace you.
But here's where it gets really strange. While the people on the front lines are burning out, the view from the very top could not be more different. They're painting this utopian picture of a future with less work, not more.
You hear it from huge names, from Wall Street to Silicon Valley. People like Jamie Dimon and Bill Gates are saying that AI will lead to 3-day or 4-day work weeks for our kids, a golden age of leisure. So, is this incredible, leisure-filled future for real? Is it a promise, or just a nice fantasy? Well, if you ask former U.S. Secretary of Labor Robert Reich, he'd tell you it's pure rubbish.
And you know what? History kind of proves his point. For decades now, new technology has made us way more productive. But our paychecks haven't really kept up, and we're definitely not all working less. It seems like without a real shift in bargaining power, the rewards from all this new tech just keep flowing to the top.
So you might be thinking, okay, that's rough for those tech workers, but what does it have to do with me? Well, it turns out, a lot. What's happening in San Francisco isn't just a tech story, it's a preview of what's coming for the rest of us.
You've heard the phrase, a canary in a coal mine, right? That first early warning of danger? The tech industry is that canary. And the trends we're seeing there, they're a pretty good indicator of the disruptions headed for the whole economy.
And the numbers, they're pretty eye-opening. The IMF warns that 60% of jobs in advanced economies could be transformed by AI. 60%! And we're already seeing the doors start to close for new people. Postings for entry-level tech jobs have dropped by 1/3 since just 2022.
And don't think this is some far-off future stuff. It's already happening. We've got self-driving cars competing with Uber drivers. You can go to a coffee shop and be served by a robot arm. This isn't science fiction. It's here now, and it's affecting jobs we used to think were safe.
So look, the AI revolution is happening. It's inevitable. But the really big question hasn't been answered yet. Who is actually going to reap the rewards? Are we heading towards a future where everyone benefits, or one where the gap between the haves and have-nots gets even bigger?
And let's be clear, the potential good here is absolutely massive.
We're talking about AI that could help cure diseases, tackle climate change, maybe even create a world of abundance. But the technology itself is neutral. It's a tool, and any tool can be used to build things up or to tear them down.
Ultimately, the future of work isn't really a technology question. It's a question of power. It's a political question. Who is going to have a seat at the table when all the wealth from this AI revolution is divided up? That's the question we all need to start asking.
So what do you think? What's your take on the future of work? Let us know your predictions down in the comments. And hey, if you found this explainer interesting, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the forces shaping our world. Thanks for watching.